Alright, y'all. So I'm officially at this hotel, don't butcher me, Kanapali Shores. And I'm trying to get to this restaurant, which I think is right here. But I think it is right there. But I want to take pictures, and I'm trying to find a good place to take pictures. And I'm not having no luck, y'all. Like, I'm having zero luck. So, I don't know. We're gonna see. We're gonna see what we get. This is what it's giving. Hi. Okay, so I've officially been to the food trucks by the beach club area, which is giving this. It's definitely giving. I'm excited. I hope that, and I feel like the food is super good, so I'm fingers crossed about it. Are we doing so bad with that golf? Alright, you guys. So, yesterday, I'm not gonna lie, the drinks won, and I honestly didn't record anything, but honestly, I didn't really do much. I did go to the beach, a beach club that's near here. More like, honestly, it's really just a hotel that had a pool and a bar. It wasn't really a beach club. I'm still figuring out what I'm gonna do today, so I'll update you guys when I'm doing what I'm doing, because I'm not sure which route I want to go yet. But yeah, just an update. This is the fit for today, giving real Hawaiian. I definitely took pictures yesterday. They're on my Instagram. I'll put that in the description if you want to see the content from the trip. But yeah, so I'll let you guys know when I get there. Alright, y'all, I'm on my way to the grocery store so that I can get some stuff for the D&D. Oh, I'm so about to go crazy. So the vlog camera died. I'm buying groceries for the Airbnb. I don't know what I really want to get. Oh, I definitely got to get coconut water. I think, how much are these? I can't even tell for real. I wish they had a price. I guess I'm going to just get one of these. Ooh, I want to try this. They have, oh, it's a pack. It's a whole pack. Oh, I think they're all soda packs. You can't buy it, I think you could buy it individually. They have so much stuff in here, it's crazy. Like, oh, I should have got, bro, this one coconut water is $8. It's crazy. I didn't even realize they had one in the fridge. It's in the fridge, man. I wish I could cook. I would be chefing. So this is the process so far, y'all. I'm debating if I want to make a salad. Honestly, I think I'm gonna have to get wings. Or I should just get them. So I got Tostitos chips and salsa for when I'm starving and, you know, have nothing to eat. I got turkey. I always get turkey. I love turkey too. I got some lettuce because I'm gonna make a salad. I got these chocolates for my mom. They're actually really popular out here and very good gifts apparently. And she told me she wanted it even though I was gonna get it anyway. So I got water because your girl been dehydrated, and coconut water just to be on the safe side. So this is their ground beef because I'm gonna make tacos. I have never ever seen ground beef packaged like this. This is so interesting to me. And I got some dressing for the salad. I also wanted to try this because it looks like obviously it's popular here or known here. They had another flavor but it was also guava, so I just got this one because I had passion fruit in it too. And I got some mustard for my sandwich, taco seasoning, and here is an avocado and 2 tomatoes because yes, I like avocado and I'm going to put it on my tacos. We got the tortillas, and this is the salsa. Yeah. And I had to lug it in this box. I guess they don't do shopping bags out here, so she put everything in a box. But yeah, I was gonna go out today, but I think I'm really intrigued on trying to make these tacos. So, all right, yeah. All right, so I didn't make the tacos yet, and when I went to get groceries and I went to get bread, they had no more bread for the day. But I knew I really wanted a sandwich, so I got hot dog buns. Don't judge me. When you really think about it, it's kind of like giving like a miniature Subway footlong. You know? So, I'm about to make a sandwich with a hot dog bun and turkey on some struggle meal. Alright, so I'm staying in today, I am. But I'm taking a stop at this fruit stand it's a fruit stand like 7 minutes away from here, and I'm gonna see if I could take some iPhone pictures in front, and I'm gonna get some fruit, hopefully if they take card. It seems like from the pictures they put a lot of tahini on there because I don't like tahini, so AirPod almost flew away. So I will not be getting tahini. Hopefully that's not a problem. But I'm excited. So I'll record when I get there. Hopefully if I remember to, and I have somewhere to put the camera stand because this camera stand is not tall. Okay, you guys, so I stopped at this hotel that's across the road from my Airbnb to come to this fruit shack. And they have snow cones. Let me show you what it looks like. And this is the menu. Look at the snow cone. Looks so good. So at the stand I was just at, I got a strawberry snow cone and I also got a fruit cup, but I got no tahini. She has really a huge variety. She has a huge variety of toppings, and most of her items she includes tahini. However, I don't like tahini, so I got it without it. But look at this now. Well, she put it on, I guess, like a stick on the side. I'm not sure, but look at the fruit cup. Hold on. Ah! I gotta take this tahini out. Like, amazing. Just amazing. I'm not eating this. One thing I will say, this is the second hotel that I just walked into, and I don't know if it's like they think I'm staying here or whatever, but they're just that hospitable. I'm heard they're very nice here, and they are so far. 10 out of 10. Because anywhere else, you either gotta pass security or you need a wristband. So I like that, because the only way to get to this fruit shop is through the hotel. Although I didn't do much today, it was still pretty relaxing. I got to take some really good pictures, which I think I took a clip of. And I'm gonna try to make tacos tonight. Stay in. Tomorrow, I'm outside. I also booked me a luau, so I know I'm going to that. And what else? I can't remember what the last thing is, but I'm gonna fit something else in there tomorrow. So yeah, I'll update you guys when I get back to the Airbnb. All right, you guys, so I'm about to leave the Airbnb and head to a food spot called Leilani's on the beach. After that, I'm going to head to the beach, and then later on I have a luau. So I'm gonna update you guys when I get to the restaurant. That's okay. I assume that's the restaurant. Oh wow, that's nice here. Yeah, like let me show you. It's not all in the water.
And then we can get back on everything.
My beaches, solid Saturday. I'll be back.
All right, y'all, I'm at the beach. That's the beauty is I feel like public book my kids. Yeah, but it's not because
Okay. Refreshing.
Each moment I reach.
Ladies and gentlemen, our Luau family. Now we'd like to let you folks know that before we begin our Luau feast, we kindly like to ask that you please remain seated and hold off. Be on standby for our wonderful hardworking banquet staff. They will be coming to you folks table by table to excuse you to enjoy your Luau buffet. So please be on standby for our Luau staff. Mahalo po yung understanding.
the multitude of lines is crazy. They got a lot of different types of salads. Just a raw, I've never been a raw food type of place, so no.
Cow, and your response.